Hello viewers, welcome to my channel IIT JEE Olympiad and AP Physics with Ambarish. And in today's video, I'm continuing with our Olympiad workout series, and I've brought today the video solution to the Pathfinder Build Up Your Understanding Work Power Energy question number 4. So here's the question. On a horizontal surface of a non-uniform texture, friction varies from point to point. On this surface, a small disk is projected with speed 5 meters per second and covers 10 meters along a straight path before it stops. Variation in the speed v of the disk with distance s covered is shown in the figure. If the disk is projected with speed 4 meters per second from the same initial point in the same direction, how much total distance will it cover? So what have we done? Initially we projected the disk with 5 meters per second. So why are we getting this kind of a non-uniform type of a graph? Because the friction is not uniform. So you may imagine that at places the surface has got a glassy kind of surface, and at place it has got a cementy kind of surface or sandpaper type of surface. That's why, because of uneven friction, we are getting this irregular shaped curve. Okay, so with 5 meters per second, the disk stopped at 10 meters position. Okay, so now what are we asked? If instead of 5 meters per second, suppose the same disk were projected with 4 meters per second, so where is it going to stop? That we are supposed to find out along the curve. So if you want, you can try this out for some time, and then you can look at my solution right after this. All right, so let's look at the graph carefully. Now, when a particle is sliding or disk is sliding along a rough surface, so in a certain amount of distance, the work done by friction is fixed, right? It does not depend on with what velocity it was sliding. Irrespective of the velocity, if the particle is sliding with some velocity through some distance, the work done by friction is same. That means what? The loss in kinetic energy is irrespective of the velocity with which the particle traveled. Okay, so if the loss in kinetic energy is independent, we can also say that the change in value of v square minus u square is independent of what was the value of v while traveling that distance. Okay, so if we are projecting with 4 meters per second, so our initial value of v is 4, so value of v square is 16, and finally the value of v square is going to be 0 when it stops. So we want a loss of 16 units in the value of v square minus u square. Okay, so how can we find out the loss of 16 units? So if we see in the original path, initial velocity is 5 and 5 square is 25. So if we want a loss of 16 units, that means we are looking for a point where the velocity square becomes 9 units. Why? Because 25 minus 9 will be 16. So that gives you this location. So at s equal to 5 units, you can see that the velocity becomes 3 units. So loss in velocity in 5 seconds, loss in velocity square rather, in 5 seconds is 16 units, and that's what we are looking for. We are looking for, with 4 meters per second, we are looking for a loss of velocity square of 16 units, and that's why. So this is the position. If you project with 4 meters per second also, by the time it covers this much distance, then its velocity will be lost, velocity square will be lost by 16 units. So this is our answer. So our final answer is 5 meters. Okay, so that was the quick challenge, and I hope you liked my solution. And if you did like the solution, please do subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed, and please share this video as much as possible with your peer group. Those who are preparing for IIT JEE Advanced or Olympiads, please share this video as much as possible, and please do give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching the video. That's all for this video, and see you in the next one.